Hello, welcome to Joycat channel. Today we are going to draw funny monsters with these markers. Let's get started. draw dots, different sizes. That's the end of the painting. Have you learned it? If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you are interested in our Prussian markers, you can find them at www.joycat.com. Follow us for more drawing videos. See you next time.